So I was wearing a helmet, I was wearing leather gloves, boots. And we rode together. We enjoyed it. That's when we joined the club. We did a Veterans Parade in the morning.
Veterans Day Parade, live from downtown Fayetteville, North Carolina.
We love doing things for our community, especially for vets. Since I am a vet, I love to give back.
I received the call that my husband was in a motorcycle accident, and the person who called me didn't know if he was alive.
Well, I stopped all of a sudden, and when I stopped, nothing else stopped, and just ran right in the back of the guy.
Came to the ER, nobody could tell me anything. They finally let me back into the room, and my husband wasn't there, he was in CT. But in walked an insurance representative saying that he needed a copy of our motorcycle insurance. I was told, yes, you have full coverage. And I said, so our medical bills are covered? And they said, no, that is not what full coverage means. 5 days in ICU, in surgical ICU, 3-4 days in a coma, surgery. I just don't know.
I remember hitting the ground, and I couldn't move. I thought this was going to be it. I'm done. The 6 minute went so long.
They took my husband's ring off of his finger and gave it to me. And at that point, I didn't know if he was going to make it. And I looked at him and I said, I'm going to hold your ring, but you're going to hold my heart. And so after surgery, he doesn't remember it, but he said, keep my ring, I'm going to keep your heart.
I got a wife and child that's struggling. I had 5 back surgeries. Why am I thinking of riding a bike with 5 back surgeries? But I was thinking of serving my community. And Lily already told me, Dad, I want you to walk me down the aisle. I gotta be real careful. There's things that happen that I can't explain, you know, that happened to me.
Do you feel like God saved you?
Yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. I'm here for a reason. I'm here to help my family.